Hello to you, my amazing clients all over the world, my prospective clients. This is your Moniya Ibadan, your real estate consultant. I'm happy to introduce you to our newest estate in town. Here is in the heart of Moniya in Oyo State. So the landmark here, we have Moniya Police Station, Moniya High School. So this is a signboard. It's a brand new estate launching today. As you can see, it's very close to the express. You're facing the express. So I will take you inside, take you around for you to see. It's a newly estate. So what you can see now is just the signboard. The perimeter fence work will start very soon, in the next 1 or 2 weeks. In my usual way of giving you updates, I want you to concentrate on this. I want to take advantage of this because the beauty of this is the land is dry land, 100% dry land. So today launch. You can see the place very dry with so much expectation here. Today you will not see much because it's a newly estate. We are just launching today, but in the next 1 or 2 months the whole area will be fenced round. And when you buy here, one thing you will agree with me is dry land. When you buy here, just buy and build. No piling, no sand filling. Right in the heart of Moniya in Oyo State. If you live here, you can as well live here and go to Lagos every day. You can walk in Lagos right from here. You are not going to take bus or use anything. The means of transportation that you take to this place that will be easier for you. You enter train from Ebutemeta train station. Straight to here is 1 hour 30 minutes. From Ebutemeta train station to Ibadan, you drop at Moniya train station. From Moniya to this place is just 20 minutes drive. So I will drop a video of this place from a drive from this Treasure Island Estate to Moniya railway station. So follow, sit down, relax, follow my video. I will take you around as time goes. So the price is very affordable. A plot of land here goes for 600,000 naira. That is 600 square meter. If you stand here, you'll be seeing the express. These are cars passing. Stand here directly opposite the express. That is the signboard. So a plot of land here goes for 600,000 naira.
This estate is fantastic estate.
You can do outright.
Yes, you can.
When you pay outright, you have instant allocation. Or you can do that for 1 year, that is 12 months. You can start with as low as 50,000 naira, then spread the remaining balance for 12 months, interest free. That is for land. So coming to other charges, you know, in land transaction, these charges are the most basic thing. Here you have a developer fee, money that we are going to provide amenities here. In the next 1 or 2 months, you will see the fence will be done, all the road will be done, the drainage, the water and everything. That goes for 650,000 naira. That is money for developer fee. So money for survey. For you to be recognized as the rightful owner of land here, your data has to go into the government. Government must have your data. So survey here is 250,000. Then last but not the least, developmental fee. Developmental fee. Last but not the least, documentation. That covers your deed of contract. That goes for 200,000 naira, one-off payment. If you are done with that, you don't have anything to pay again. Just pay and start your work. So give me a call. I will bring you to site, or you can do virtual inspection for you to be part of this lifetime investment. Don't wait any longer, because now it's selling at introductory price of 600,000. The price will change. Believe you me, the price will change in the next 1 or 2 months when the development starts here. The estate has perfect document, that is C of O, certificate of occupancy. So call me, let's book for inspection. Or if you have somebody who can come for inspection on your behalf, the person can come and do inspection. I'll forward the soft copy of the form to you. You're done. It's as easy as ABC. So I'll be expecting your call. I'll leave you with some of the amazing videos right from the site, launching of the estate, so that you see what is really going on.
Bàbá mi kọ́kọ́ bá máa ṣàdúrà ní àìsàn ló láṣìírí èèyàn. Gbogbo òní ṣàìsàn, gbogbo yẹ̀ ní ṣàìsàn. Nífẹ̀ẹ́ wa, Ọlọ́run á nífẹ̀ẹ́ àwọn náà, á nífẹ̀ẹ́ ilé wọn, àní fojú sunkún, àní fara gbààwẹ̀, ní ìnímọ̀ sàárè kọ̀ọ̀kan nu yín. Èmi náà túbọ̀ pẹ́ fún yín. Jésù Olúwa wa. Àmín, àmín, àmín lórúkọ Jésù. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
That is our brand ambassador, Iya Rainbow. She just raised a player for us to open the place. So I'll be expecting your call. Give me a call. So I've been looking for property in Ibadan. This is the best place. Free from government encumbrances and family issues. With perfect document. Look at the express.